What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the ESR series of hybrid magnetic cases for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max line of products. And I am so excited because we've got a haul for you. We've got 4 different colored cases from this product line, and I'm going to show you what they look like on the 17 Pro Max. So, huge shout out to ESR for sending these over. I'm excited to check them out because it looks like they have a lot more features than just the standard case itself and MagSafe. So it says, don't force the stand too far. It has a max range of 69 degrees. Nice. We have our 24/7 care here and the power of MagSafe, because their magnets on their cases are actually very, very solid. Now check this out. This one is in black, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a Pro Max here and pop that in, and you'll see just like that, we've got a super nice looking case. This would go really nice on the blue one maybe. I think that would make a really cool look. The black and white is also very cool contrasting. Now, the cool thing about this is if we lift this up, it actually has a stand which we can use obviously to watch movies on the go and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. You can also use it as a stand like that or like that. So you can also use it landscape or like that. You can flip the orientation any way you would like, and it's going to hold it up, which I think is really cool. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the other cases they've sent, because this isn't the only one they sent us. Oh, look at that. So we've got a very nice orange case here. You can see the orange accents on the inside as well on the magnet. And of course, the camera stand here pops out, and this is full metal as well. So this is silicone and everything, but this is metal so that it's nice and safe and it's not going to break off or anything. And it does snap into the case. So if we switch the phone out here, and that's actually a really nice color, kind of like a popsicle cream color, right? So this is really cool on its own. We've got 2 more colors for you, so let's go ahead and open those up. We've got a clear silver, so this is actually interesting. Let's try this out. So this is gonna go good on any colored phone. It does have the white MagSafe, so it blends in specifically with the white one pretty well, but considering it's fully clear, this would show off your phone's color really, really well. So I kind of like this one a lot. But we've got one more to take a look at. And here it is, a very nice dark blue to go with your Galaxy blue coloration on the iPhone Pro Max. Let's see what it looks like on white here. That actually makes it look like the blue iPhone Pro Max. That's really, really cool. And of course, we have the built-in metal stand and everything like that as well. These are just really solid cases from ESR. So shout out to them. I'll put a link to these phone cases in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.